Hello everyone, welcome back to our Prime Coding channel. I hope you are loving this on-campus placement series. So let's move to our next question. Before guys moving to our best next question, make sure that you have hit the subscribe button, and if you are loving this series, just give a thumbs up to this video. So let's move to our next question. Our next question states we need to find the average of all elements in the array. Wow, pretty straightforward question. Let's read the problem statement. Problem statement is written that given an array, we need to find the average of all the elements in the array. Okay guys, so this question is like you might have done in your class 10th, 9th, 8th, maybe lower than that. It is very simple question. You just need to sum up all the elements present in the array and the total number of elements present in the array, as I have written the formula of finding the average. You should remember this guys if this question comes into your interview. Now see this, the explanation I have written that suppose we have an array of consisting 5 elements 1 2 3 4 5 and the number of element is 5. So the average of the all elements divided by the total number of elements would be 3. So this is the particular approach of this question. Now let's have a look on pseudocode, how to write this code in your favorite programming language. So pseudocode is not specific to any programming language. If you are writing in C++, Java or anything, you just convert pseudocode into the syntactual language. Fine. Now let's have a look on this. So pseudocode states we need a variable which stores the sum, and we iterate over the for loop. After iterating, when we are encountering the element present in, let's say I have 1 2 3, whenever we are encountering any of the element, you just add it into the sum, and in the last just sum divided by the total number of element present in the array, then you will get your sum. Pretty easy guys, is it? Now the time complexity of this program is order of n, because we are iterating over each and every element once, and we are not creating any other external or auxiliary space. So that space complexity would be only order of 1, which is a constant space. So this approach is a very good approach. You will definitely get hired if this question comes to you. Now guys, let's hop into our compiler and just write the code. So average. So how to find the average? As I have told, you need a sum variable. I will write sum of array. If you are writing in Python, there is an inbuilt function. If you write sum of array, the sum of array will comes. But when you are writing in some like Java or C, there are inbuilt function, but try not to use this inbuilt function. It creates some negative impact in your interview. Now let's move. I will write sum of array. I will initialize this as 0. Now for nums in array, sum of array, please add this new number into your accumulation, and average, we create an average variable which will find the average of the array elements present. So sum we have calculated divided by the n we got into our function call. And yeah guys, now we just need to print the average. So bingo guys, our code is also been done. We are calculating sum divided by sum. Yes, now let's run this. Okay, we didn't pass and one argument length I have given. Now let's see. Now yes, we are getting 3.5 as the average of the array. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's meet with the next question soon.